Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Paychex for payroll tax reports, complete guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Paychex for payroll tax reports, start by visiting the Paychex website. Once on the home page, locate the login section. Enter your username in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. After entering your credentials, click the login button. If you've forgotten your password, look for the Forgot Password link. Click it to initiate the password recovery process. Follow the prompts to reset your password through your email. Once logged in, navigate to the Payroll Tax Reports section. Here, you'll find various options to access your reports. Select the desired report type from the available choices. After selecting, review any required information fields. Fill in the necessary details to proceed. If prompted, verify your identity through multi-factor authentication. This may involve receiving a code via email or text message. Enter the code in the provided field to continue. Review the report parameters and make any adjustments as needed. Once satisfied, click to generate the report. Wait for the system to process your request. After processing, the report will be available for download. You can now save or print the report as required. To log out, return to the main account menu. Click on the Logout option to securely exit your account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.